Good morning students. In this chapter we will discuss about Tux Paint, and next part of the Tux Paint we will discuss in this chapter. And the chapter number 3, and the name of this chapter is Fun with Tux Paint. In this chapter, now in this video, we will discuss following topic. First we will discuss about the stamps and text. There we can add the text also and how we can add the images. Next we will discuss about the more magic tools, and next topic we will discuss in this chapter storyboard. These are the topics that we have discussed in this chapter, in this video. Okay, so let's start the topic. First of all, I will discuss about edit title. Okay, lines can be drawn freehand or from point to point. Shapes include squares, circles, ovals and more. It means what we can do using the lines, we can draw the different type of lines. Also it means we can join the line from one point to another point. We can add the shapes also, like the shapes we can draw with the help of the line, like we can draw the squares, we can draw the circles, ovals and many more things that we can draw with the help of the line. Okay, so what we can do with the help of the lines, using line we can draw squares, circles, ovals, and we can use the shapes also for that. We can use the shapes also that is given in the shapes, and directly we can use, and we can using the line also we can draw these things. And you will see that in the Tux Paint there is the color palette, and in the color palette 17 colors are there, and colors that we can use to fill the color in that drawing that we are drawing in the drawing area of the Tux Paint. We can use more colors also. For more colors can be made using the color picker. Okay, so we can use different colors from there also. We can use the stamps and text. Using stamps, what we can do, using stamps we can add different pictures also in the canvas, in the drawing area, and stamps can be resized, flipped and rotated. It means we can add the images that we can change the size of that image, we can rotate, we can change the direction of that images. So what we can do, we can resize, we can change the size of the images, flip and rotate also. And we can add the text also, and using text box what we can do, using text box we can add the words and sentence, whatever required that you can write with the help of the text box. For that you have to click on the text in the toolbox, and after that you have to drag on the canvas and the drawing area, and you can add the word also. You can add word or text on the images also with the help of the text. Okay, there are many different fonts and the font sizes that you can use. You have used font and font sizes in the MS Word, and using this you can add the font sizes, you can change the font sizes, you can change the fonts also, different type of fonts you can use, you can change the font color. So all the things that you were using in MS Word and MS PowerPoint, that we will use in the Tux Paint also, and we can use the different type of fonts, we can use the different sizes and colors also we can use. Text might be hard to move after you type, and you can write the text over there. Next we will discuss about the magic tools. In the magic tools you can use the different effects also. Different effects means you can add the cloud you can draw, drops you have to draw. So these are the extra effects you have to use in the Tux Paint. You can use the magic tool. So we can say that Tux Paint provides a number of special effects like blurring and fading, rainbow, chalk that are made available through, and magic tool. Magic tools are built as plugins and are loaded at runtime. This gives an impressive touch to the drawing, and kids love using Tux Paint because they can use different type of effects with the help of the magic tool, and it is very important. Okay, and that's why you can add the different effects. So that's why students and kids will use very easily, and kids will take the interest in this. Magic tools help to create special effects on the canvas. There are more than 50 special effects available. If the question will ask in the examination approx how many effects available, then you will choose the correct option. More than 50 special effects are available. Some of magic tools are kaleidoscope, and using this let's draw in the 4-way symmetry, calligraphy, thick lines, fill in the enclosed area with the color rain and raindrops. So these all are the things effects we can add with the help of the magic tools. Drawing made using only some of the Tux Paint magic tools: rainbow, calligraphy, flower, bubbles, ripple, negative, smudge and the chalk. These are the effects we can use in the magic tools. Now we will discuss about the Tux Paint magic tool. A rainbow, what we can do using the rainbow, this is the similar to the paintbrush. The rainbow is similar to the paintbrush, but as you move the mouse around, it cycles through a spectrum of bright colors. So you can use rainbow also as the magic tool in Tux Paint. Calligraphy paints on the canvas with a calligraphy pen and you can use on the Tux Paint. Next we will discuss about the storyboard in Tux Paint. What we can do with the help of the storyboard in Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a fun drawing program for kids. It allows kids to add pictures called stamps. So we can say that using the stamps, what we can do in the Tux Paint, using the stamps we can add the images. Okay, we can add the images. Sometimes question can be raised in your mind, can we use the images from the other side? Yes, you can use the images from the other side also. You can do the copy paste. You can copy and you can paste in that area and you can use the other images also. So Tux Paint is a fun drawing program for kids. It allows kids to add pictures called stamps, and using the stamps kids can add the images to their artwork. Storyboard Quick and Storyboard Artist also uses stamps to draw storyboards, but unlike Tux Paint, these programs are not free. Okay, so what I am discussing that Tux Paint is the free drawing software. Okay, Tux Paint is the free open source software, and using that kids can draw something, and there they can use the undo and redo also. Okay, undo and redo. For undo they have to use the shortcut key combination Ctrl+Z, and for redo you have to use the shortcut key combination Ctrl+Y. So these are the important shortcut keys also you should know, and shortcut keys are used to do your work easily. It means it will save your time. Okay, so I hope you all understood, and in the next video we will discuss about the other tools. All the tools we will discuss in the next video. Okay, I hope you all understood. Any doubt, then you can ask to me in the online classes, there I will discuss also. Okay, so I hope you all understood all the topic that we have discussed. Listen properly, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much everyone.